La 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 la. 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 Is it not suitable? Suitable. La 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 la.
Well, hello and welcome back. Thanks for coming back. We're in downtown Paphos. We're going to take you on a little night stroll to the downtown Paphos promenade. But before we do, I'm going to introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the world. And of course, her name is Miss Ochin Gracivia Labouf.
Hello, everybody. How nice to see you again and again, especially with my hearty heart glasses presented by Whitney. Whitney, correct?
That's correct.
I always, I cannot fold my lips correctly. Whitney, thank you so much. And of course, not only Whitney. That very night was a special night for us. Not for us, we didn't propose to each other, just for you.
Yes, indeed. So a big shout out to the girl who likes a little bit of brightness in her life. That's our girl. And of course, Lord of the Jace's girl, Lady Whitney. And a big shout out to Lord of the Jace. Come with us as we show you some of the beauty and some of the spectacality of downtown Paphos, and we're going to work our way down to the blue Mediterranean Sea. Once Gracivia Labouf catches up, because of course she was standing outside the Mavros leather shop.
So many places opening and opening. You know, if you haven't been here for a week, for example, the one thing is shutting down and another thing is coming up. What is going on in this world? Actually, I do like this part. But before, I remember how I used to run around the pool, a little pool with fountains. And one day, oh my goodness, I nearly made John Ricey happy. No, not happy, unhappy actually. John Ricey, don't you worry. One day it's gonna happen, especially for you. If not in the pool, that's for sure in the sea. Or maybe somewhere else, in a little lake. Who knows, in England, France, anywhere. Where should we fall down? Where should
Perhaps in the blue Mediterranean
That's
Sea.
That's the best, yeah.
So that's the Penguino's cafeteria cafe just sitting there. And if you're sitting in there supping on a pint or two, it's not far to the blue Mediterranean Sea. It's just over there. This is the Gourmet Taverna. Next door to that is the Savannah, I think that's how you pronounce it. That's a fast food takeaway. And of course, without much of an introduction, there's tea for two at the harbour. And everyone knows that they can get a great breakfast in there, that's for sure. Donna Express is across the road, and next door to that is the Alea all day party place. And of course, on a weekend, they get some live bands and of course some lights light up the blue Mediterranean Sea, and you get to get a party of a lifetime. Come with us as we take you to the cusp and the blueness of the blue Mediterranean Sea on a rather nice evening in August. And the weather, if you're curious to know, the temperature at 9 o'clock at night is 28 degrees. The humidity tonight is a little bit high, by the way, and it's causing us to perspire that little bit. But perhaps if you're coming from the northern hemisphere, that might be what you are dreaming of.
Now, humidity tonight is really exceptionally bad, exceptionally very pissy. This humidity is really pissing down on us. I feel like I remember Deborah was telling us about the hair. Deborah, look at my hair now. I'm more Angela Davis than all Angela Davises in the world. What can we do? Sometimes I miss the hair down.
Yes, indeed. Big shout out to downtown Glasgow, if your name is Sir David. And of course, there's a Lady Deborah in your life. And you've got a daughter who likes us to say her name sometimes, but not all the time. Will we say it tonight? Yeah, we will. Princess Millie. We're looking forward to seeing you guys when you come back to the Island of Love, which of course is downtown Paphos. Yeah. Here it is, we've come to the water's edge. Yes, it's looking pretty dark, but I promise you, on a daytime, that is all looking very, very blue indeed. And of course, this is the Bania. This is a rather nice food and wine bar that sits literally on the cusp of the blue Mediterranean Sea. And of course, that's where you can go and sup on a cocktail or two. And I remember not that long ago sitting in there with some superstars from all the way in downtown Wellingborough. If your name is Baroness so sweet Caroline, and of course there's a Baron in your life called Nigel of the Big Guns. Perhaps you remember that evening very, very well indeed. And of course we're looking forward to your return when you come to Paphos very, very soon indeed.
In my opinion, I remember how we went here, and really it was an enjoyable night. I can never forget about this. And if anything, I think we were sitting just me and you. My God, Mr. Paul, your glasses, like you went to if like you went to make a shower with your glasses, so they are all dripped.
They are.
Ripped.
They are.
They
all
are
drip with
honestly.
humidity.
Oh my God, what can you see?
Well, luckily for me, I can see, but yes, they are a bit glistening.
If you can see me, that I'm more than thankful. In my opinion, really, I would like to say that that area where the edge of the sea starts, I would love to be more lightning, because it was looking like a little bit big hole, a big end of to nowhere. What am I saying?
A black hole.
The black hole, but what I'm saying is if ever they would have put a little bit of projectors on the top of it, just a few to light up this beautiful sea, oh my God, it would be amazing. This would help a lot, because it was looking a little bit scary, by the way.
And I do agree with you actually. I've often mentioned that perhaps they should put a projector light that glistens across the blueness of the blue Mediterranean Sea. Now, talking about new lights, there's a restaurant on the promenade that has had a brand new facade. Look at that. Feast your eyes and digest. The Bella Italia, the Ocean restaurant, and even the pharmacy has had a new sign. So that makes that look that little bit better, there's no doubt about it. And that's a great place to go if you fancy a meal. In the daytime, you can get a pint in there for €1.69. Yes, you heard me correctly. So you could sit there and sup on a pint for an hour or two, and, well, chump change, isn't it? Now, do you want a balloon? Perhaps if you're on the downtown Cape of Paphos promenade, there's a gentleman here getting a couple for his daughters. If you want the ones that are floating up there, they are €5, and if you want the ones on the ground that are flashing at you, those are €7 each. Could be that perfect gift for that Little in your life when you come to downtown Cape of Paphos. Lucille Booth, what have you got
Your
to say?
friend of the best policeman just gone past through. He said hello to me whilst you were showing balloons. Is this balloons more important, or the friend of yours, the best friend of all the best policemen in the world? He said to me, I'll have a word with Mr.
He's going to have a word with me a little bit later, so I might be getting an infringement on my credit card. You never know.
He'll catch you one day, he'll hit you, beat you, and then he make you understand that with the friends we shouldn't behave like that. Actually, he was saying to me from far away, luckily you haven't filmed it, but it was very funny what he showed me. It's like I'm gonna hit him and laughing, and then he was laughing at the end because he was showing balloons and he was going to come to you close anyway. Doesn't matter. We only joking. When there is a joke in the people's life, how beautiful, how light the ease and easy the life can become. Oh my God, some people taken so serious, even the holiday period of time, so sort of, never mind, we're gonna talk it, ladies and gentlemen, and not only gentlemen and ladies, cats and dogs, you all gather together, come to the channel Marika and you, and of course, come to the channel of my Mr. Paul's Cars. Who else can describe better than this voice, this immaculate voice of the legend of my Prince of Wales.
What can we say? If you like what you see, smash the like, smash that subscribe. Please don't forget to keep on coming back for that little bit more of our complete and utter madness as we take you on our travels in and around Paphos. And of course, if there's somewhere that you would like us to go, drop it in the comments, and you never know, that video may be coming very, very soon indeed, especially for you. Yeah, and of course there are 2 new channels on the block. One is Marika and You. If you want to see some beauty tips, you want to see her doing her makeup, you want to see some handbags, you want to see a frock or 2, and you want to find out that little bit more about her life, well, the words to remember are Marika and You. We'd appreciate it very, very much if you'd go and hunt it down. You can either Google it on YouTube or, of course, go through to our About page on this little channel, Marika and You, and there are 1 or 2 links. One is for Marika and You, that'll take you straight through, and of course then you can fall in love with Marika, and of course she will fall in love with you. If you've got a bit of time on your hands and you like a car or 2, perhaps you might want to click through to Cars and Me. Of course, that's a channel all about me and my buying and selling experiences and repairing of cars. And now and again you're going to get a laugh or 2, because contrary to belief, most car dealers lose a lot of money on buying and selling cars. They often think they've made a couple of bob, and then the car breaks down and comes back and literally bites them straight in the ass. So, on that note, perhaps go and hunt us down on the Buy Me a Coffee platform. That's how you could gift myself and, of course, Archie Gracila Booth a coffee or 2. And, of course, we thank you from the bottom of our 2 hearts.
And we really do. Let me thank you again and again for your beautiful replies. I'll never forget. It was very, very important for me, that very first video, when I was just worried and shaking all over like a schoolgirl on the examination time. And thanks God I did all right. Not that I planned everything that I said. Whatever happened, happened. Now it's too late to go back. But I'm really thankful of your replies. You've given me motivation to go on, and I will go on. Really, I will thank you and thank you again and again. And for the motivation is a huge, huge thank you. That was very, very important for me. Anyway, I'm lost again, and thank you for everything. And I would like to say that we're really enjoying the night tonight. It's just a little bit of humid. Overall, this is beautiful, amazing night. People enjoying themselves. We wish you were here, loving and kissing you from the bottom of our heart.
Thanks for watching, and of course we'll look forward to your company again very, very soon indeed, somewhere in and around Paphos. And of course perhaps go and hunt us down on Marika and You, and of course Cars and Me. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again very, very soon indeed.